Hurricane Dolly brings rain. Flooding expected. Hurricane Dolly landed into southeast Texas with a maximum sustained winds of at least 100 miles per hour and a strong gust which sheared off roofs of some buildings. The heavy rains that the Hurricane Dolly brought might trigger flooding in the low-lying areas. The National Hurricane Center said that the Hurricane Dolly is an incredible rain maker that is the reason why flooding in different parts of the United States of America is expected. A widespread flooding is anticipated, so the local emergency officials prepared their boats rescue teams. They opened shelters and they warned all the residents living near the low-lying and coastal areas to evacuate in a higher grounds. The Hurricane Dolly made landfall in South Padre Islands, Texas, which turned the skies black as the eye of the Hurricane Dolly, which classified under the Category 2 storm, hit the region. It brought a torrential rains that triggered flash floods warnings. Hurricane Dolly is the first hurricane to hit the U.S. since the Hurricane Humberto landed in South Texas. It is also the fourth tropical storm of the 2008 Atlantic hurricane season. People must always give time to read or watch news because it is really important in order to be aware and alert in our surroundings. This is Anne of Synergy.